How to customize Shopify store theme. So first go to Shopify and then you can just click on online store here at the left side. Next is make sure you're on themes and then you can just click on customize here. Okay, now once you're here, you can see all of the sections here. So if you want to, let's say, customize the header, you can just click on the header here or the announcement bar. So let's say this is, you can just begin, you can see on the right side here, you can begin customizing your theme page here. So let's say you want to customize the appearance of the section width. Instead of page, you can do it into full, something like that. And if you want to change the color scheme, you can do that as well. So let's say, let's change it to scheme 5. So you can see it changed. So let's say we want to customize the header instead. You can see here. So let's say we want to change this one, the menu. We want it to be on the center. You can just click on center here. There you go. So you can see there's a lot of options here, as you can see, to begin customizing your theme page. You can also customize the footer here. So that's it. You can just play around with it. You can just look at all of the options here to customize your theme page. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.